Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and we are going to play a nostalgic hangout game. And yes, I know that it's basically too late to do this because other people have already done it, and it's like, not, I wouldn't say old, but it was more popular. Maybe a month ago, I don't know. Anyways, let's just get straight into it. This is limited, and also like how I started it.
Hey, welcome home. I'm your postman. Nice to meet you. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it?
No, it's not.
The dev of this hangout game programmed me to help you, so here I am. But nothing bad ever happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. I'll be back with a post by night. Take care, bud.
What do you mean it's cheap? Is the house like $2? This looks like at least a few left. Also, why is this just a cheap retro hangout game? All they did is add stuff. Okay, I guess it is a little bit nostalgic, just worse. Wait, hold up. The woman is never leaving on it, right? No, I wanted to do it. I don't wanna stay locked in that house. What?
Beautiful, aren't they? Each star is like a different world, a different game. One of them is a game where you go through endless doors. Some let you grow the largest garden in the world. Some even let you break out of prison and run from the cops. I can see them all from here, but I can never reach them. I'm bound to this place, this moment, by some dev who allowed an NPC to think. Sometimes I wonder what it would be like to be free. To explore like you. To feel warmth or the cold. But I have no choice but to stay. to serve. To exist. Funny how they give you eyes to see everything, but keep you trapped in one small corner of it. The stars remind me that there's so much more out there, but I'm just here. Anyways, that's enough of me. I think I'm programmed to disappear soon, so I appreciate you playing. Click the bed, and I hope to see you later. See ya.
Explore. I have kept going, would that break the game, or is there a secret? I don't know. I'm just gonna do it. What if I don't want to click it? I'm gonna hold E instead. Oh wait, no, I'm just happy. Oh. Okay. So is it just gonna appear at my house again? They said it's programmed to this appears. Oops. Why am I phasing through the wall anyway? Get off my lawn! What is it called? Wake up!
Hey, day 2! I was just here to drop off your mail. I can't be going too off script with stargazing, you know. Nothing bad ever happens here anyways. Ooh, you should try using the TV or something. Unless the dev of this hangout game broke it already. Anyways, I won't keep you. Got other deliveries to make. I'll see you tomorrow, friend.
If I don't want to see you tomorrow. Leave. Stop coming back. You're annoying. I thought it started turning night in 2 seconds. If that guy comes by.
Anyway, that is nothing compared to the art of local living. Today, we're discussing the importance of routine in maintaining mental health and community stability. Studies show that people who follow regular schedules report higher satisfaction in their daily lives. Keep following your established patterns for optimal well-being. Remember, viewers, a well-ordered life is a happy life. The most stable subjects
Why am I falling
are those who
asleep?
maintain
I never
consistent
fall
daily
asleep.
routines. There's comfort in predictability, isn't there?
What did that say? I blinked as soon as that happened. Wait, leave? Didn't the rules say never leave? Nah, I'm gonna follow the rules. I thought that was a face staring down. Fine, I'll leave. What even is that? Am I gonna get hit by a freaking meteor? Yeah, the rule is never leave. Keep inside the TV. Also, did I didn't actually disconnect
postman. Nice to meet ya. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it?
You told
The dev
me,
of this hangout
you
game
told
programmed
on
me
the
to help
first
you.
day.
So here I am. But nothing bad happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. Take care, bud.
No, I don't want to. Can I have like a freaking flippin'? Can I just do a backflip on the table at this point? I'm really fun. No!
Studies show that deja vu happens when your brain's memory system tricks you into thinking you've experienced something before, even when you haven't. It's pretty common in places like ours where everything follows a nice, predictable routine. Your mind starts recognizing patterns and gets that weird feeling like you've been through this exact moment already, even though you know you haven't, right?
Why would I watch that at night? I think there's something wrong with that movie. If I don't want to go to bed. Okay, I'm heading to bed now. Oh no. What is the weird thing that's gonna happen now? What? It says never leave alone at night. Let me go see. Gas is free! Gas is finally free. That's surprising. I don't think this was all here before. Can I just have that sweet, please? The rule is to never leave. Oh, fine, I'll leave. Why can't I help? Was I ever able to do What? What? Am I gonna get flashback? Okay, no. I don't like that way you're looking at me. Can you look away? Like the beginning of Pop Playtime Chapter 2. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up. Are you going to deliver the mail actually this time instead of just a yeah?
hey! Day 2, huh? I was just about to drop off your... Are you okay? You don't look so good.
Yeah, 'cause
Your wake-up was pretty late for some reason, too. At least for me. It must be a bug or something silly. Okay, I know this is against my code. How about I stay over just this once? I would hate
Well,
for the
that's
game to
against
break for you,
the
so
code.
don't worry. I've got you, bud.
No, you don't.
Ta-da!
I don't want you to stay. Go away. No, actually, go away. Actually. Who was that? Oh, that was just a I don't want this guy to stay over. He's stinky.
And that concludes our segment on local gardening tips. But you know, gardening is fascinating
This
when you think
TV
about
thing
it.
by the dev is
You
pretty
plant
cool, you
seeds,
know.
water them, watch them grow in perfectly controlled environments. We prune them, shape them, force them to grow exactly how we want them to. The plants don't have a choice. They follow their programming, their genetic code. They bloom when we tell them to bloom, wither when we decide they should wither. Some might call it nurturing, but isn't it really just control? We're all just following our own programming, aren't we? Some of us more literally than others. We wake up each day, perform our routines, say our lines, play our parts. We're all just plants in someone else's garden.
Why are you just
Right, Postman?
What the... What? Turn it off, turn it off.
I'm trying, bro. I'm jumping AFD keys one more time.
Make it
Why are you just sitting there? Fighting for that you chose my eyes. If I have to go through that one more time.
What? What was that? Something is wrong. No, something is really wrong.
You should have just stopped.
What? What did you do? It's fine. We'll be fine.
No,
I'll go check the game
I'll
files
go
or
away,
something.
Brad. Go away.
You stay right here
You
and
didn't even park right. You have
we'll
the lights
figure it
still
out.
on.
Together.
I did not let him finish a single word. Also, okay. Is this just gonna be like every other day, too? Where something happens? Hold on, that wasn't even day 2.
Operation G25. Player shutdown required. Stand by.
Stop it. Stop it. Go away. You're stinky. Yeah, Postman is here like, bruh. Go away. I'm not gonna answer. He has the power. No,
Hey, welcome home. You're Postman. Nice to meet ya. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it?
No.
The dev of this hangout game programmed me to help you, so here I am. But nothing bad ever happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout game, I guess. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. Follow the rules.
No.
Take care, bud.
No, I'm not gonna follow the rules. And I'm not gonna take care. I'm gonna break the TV. It's supposed to be around. Plus, why am I like the only house in like a flippin' wasteland? How does it turn night the moment he leaves? Can I even watch the TV? Probably not, right? Unless I'm just gonna wake up like, yeah, or just wake up. There, finally something different than that. Weirdo. Oh. Am I just gonna stare at a black screen for like
no mouth to speak, yet still I find the minds I seek. You hear my words, you can't undo what's bound